tree. Here we go, y'all. Left lane for the win. Now how the hell they got that V6 running like that? That V6 running. Damn. We got this motorcycle coming up next, y'all. 3238. Look out. I'ma see if I'm finna see if she moved the car after this. Left lane for the win. You already moved? Look out. Y'all think he finna make a full pass? Nope. Full pass? Nope. Full pass? Messed up, y'all. Oh, they done brung it back out, y'all. They done brung Perico back out. All right, y'all. Coming up next, we got Tony Thorne, guys. That's right. Attention in the pits. We have Tony Thorne. Usually in the Index 5.0 class. That's right, guys. Damn, we got a price for Limpy. What happened? He got the Dawn dish soap. Oh, but damn. Boy, shit been going on this year. Sorry to hear that myself.
Where you at?
Right here. How much?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, guys. Oh shit, I remember he backfired. Never mind. I was gonna get up close on him. For my people on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Y'all can come check it out in HD, widescreen. Yeah, he got that thing. He got that thing fixed, boy. Got it back flying.